Imagine watching the sunrise over the Columbia River from your own balcony. Welcome to Vantage Bay, where resort-style living meets endless recreation in the heart of Central Washington. This home includes 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a versatile flex room with a wet bar, perfect for entertaining. Unwind on the covered back patio after a day of boating, enjoying a concert at the Gorge, or exploring all the recreational activities nearby. Whether you're looking for a full-time residence, vacation getaway, or a short-term rental investment opportunity, this home offers the flexibility and lifestyle you've been searching for. Enjoy access to community amenities, including a clubhouse, pool, sport court, and playground. Community utilities paired with a newer home and low-maintenance yard offers the perfect package for an enjoyable second home. If you've been dreaming of owning a piece of the Columbia River lifestyle, this is your opportunity. Welcome to Vantage Bay.